we're at Jamerations, man. We got some parts over here. Polished it all up. Everything is
those. This is just parts that we didn't do anything with.
Oh, okay. Okay, we got parts over here.
I kept your old cam and lifters.
Okay, good.
Yeah. That way, you know, if you decide you don't want to do anything, you got them.
Okay.
Because they're no good to me.
All right.
Nope, not at all.
Here's the block. Man, it's all clean and shined up. We're going to get that thing painted. Here's the cylinder heads.
Yep, that's the heads. I'm gonna lay this thing down. Are we gonna put it in the back of the Durango,
Yeah,
then, Joe?
yeah,
okay. See,
all right.
Put stuff in there, Joe. We'll
okay.
open the hatch up. And a lot of times it's easier to put the small parts in first.
Okay. All right, let's see. Let's put
that guy here. Yeah, there you go.
Everything is clean, so it doesn't really matter.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll put this stuff in first, Joe.
Yeah, I got that book at home, man. I'm gonna go ahead and use it.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Well, why not, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said I bought a book, man. I might as well use it.
Yep, might as well.
But say, like I said, if I need you for anything, I'll bring it back.
Yeah, but hey, that's all, you know, sometimes.
Yeah. So all the plugs and all that stuff is in there.
Remember all that stuff I put in that little box?
With the plugs for
Different plugs in that. Yeah.
what you mean?
A lot of them are in. Yeah, all the stuff's here.
I mean, like, wait, what is this here? What is this?
That's a water plug. That's in. That's in your stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I just want to make sure the freeze plugs and all that stuff is in here. Gee, man, this thing is nice. Cleaned up. All right, cool. All right, good.
Okay. Come on.
Alrighty, so all I just need a seatbelt or something like that to lift that out of there.
Yeah, that'll
yeah,
work.
I got a seatbelt.
Put that overhead right here, Joe. And
okay.
I got a cam shaft, yeah, too.
All right.
Your old cam.
Hopefully I can get a cam on sale, man. I was thinking about is home. Let me get this. Well, let me show y'all what it looking like. Let's see what we looking like. Look like we all cleaned up, man. Let me get this here. Put it back on the stand. We got cam back here, all this other stuff. Got all kind of tools and parts and all that kind of stuff. Yep. All right, y'all give me a second. Let me put it on. We got the hook. Let me go ahead and put it on that. All right, YouTube, we got it on the stand. I mean, on the engine hoist. It's all cleaned up. All the way cleaned up. Smooth. Shiny like a baby's. You know what? Alright, y'all, let me get the stand. I'm back. Stop that AutoZone and got some tape. Engine spray that I'm gonna paint this engine with. And I got some gloss. Alright, so I got the cylinder, got the cams, all my parts in here to put my LS back together. Pistons, all that stuff is in here. So these is bearings. These are bearings too. Piston rings. Camshaft rings. All different kind of rings. Alright, y'all. And I got my GoPro. Ready to get started on the swap. Let's take a look how clean this motor looks compared to what it did before. This thing is clean, Jack. All clean up in here. Ready to be put back together. Check it out. 6-point. So what I'm gonna do is start taping this bad boy off so I can paint it. Let me do some research. Tape it on off so I can paint it. Chevy orange, of course. That's nice. Lifters, everything, that back there, glad they all polished up, ready to go, man. All I gotta do is study this book now. Study this book, YouTube, get back at it. I'm excited. Got some paint. Got some aluminum paint for these. Got some primer and Chevy orange for that. All right, be on the lookout for that.